Hello everyone and welcome to Tech with Robert to get started with the T-SQL course. In this lecture I'm going to show you here a video that my friend Mukesh Kala has provided us with, and that is to download and install Microsoft SQL Server 2019, the SQL Server Express on Windows. I'm going to link this video in the description, and so make sure to watch that, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to tutorials by Mukesh Kala, and make sure that you get all the notifications so you get notified when he drops another video. And so once you've installed and downloaded SQL Server 2019 along with the SQL Server Management Studio, the only next step thing is to get started when building queries in T-SQL.